the back of the radio, mate. Nothing so I can have a conversation with, but it was there, yeah?
Yeah, well, give a shout out, see if they sort of invite them back in. We'll all listen, mate.
Yeah, the QSK break station with the Roger bleep. Would you like to go ahead? We're all listening on a 305.
Hello, this is Andy. Call sign is 26. 26 Charlie Tango 2527. I'm in Welling Garden City. I'm mobile, but I'm in my work QTH. Back to you.
Yeah, Roger, Andy. Yeah, I think we've spoken before. I think you'll be heading up the M1, won't you there? All right there, Steve. Yeah, that's Andy. Is a mobile station. That's, I think it was 2527, and he's mobile Welling Garden City, was. Right, nothing heard. While I'm on the mic there, yeah, Sean, do you want to give Kevin a go in Walthamstow, Roger? That's Delta Romeo 935.
Yeah, Delta Romeo 925. Got a copy on Sean Hemwell there, mate. Yeah, Roger, no, Sean. Yeah, we've had many QSOs before, my friend. Personal Kevin this side, Roger. Yeah, I've got your quietest radio 5 and the signal's about, probably a balance between the 5 and 7 there, over.
Okay, so we see if we got Andy back there. Yeah, Andy, mobile station in Welling Garden City. I think it was 2527, 1664. You got a copy on me?
Hello, Fred. 1664. Yeah, I'm not getting the other guys very well. I'm in an industrial estate in Welling Garden City, so I'm suffering a lot from interference, QRM and all that. I just thought I'd try it out, try and talk to you guys. I did speak to you, I think, through YouTube on about 446. You were...
Right, okay, Andy. Yeah, I've had a few comments on the PMR ban. Was there a question, Andy? We might be able to answer it on here, Rog. Right, that's nothing back. Yeah, by the way, fellas, that's Andy 2527. He's mobile, but he's parked up in an industrial estate in Welling Garden City, so he's got quite a lot of QRM, as you could imagine. So hopefully he'll come back. All right, I'm going to pass it back to Steve there. Steve, was you reading Andy there in Welling Garden City? Over.
Yeah, Roger, I was. Fred, it sounds like he's got 6900. I'll give him a try. I'm only going up here. Yeah, Andy, Welling Garden City, 318 mobile. Have you got me? If that's you, Stevie, you're trying to come back to me. You're very back in my box. Because I'm in an industrial estate with a lot of noise. But I'll tell you what I'm using. If you can hear me, I'm using a President Lincoln 2 Plus and a Liberty mic. I'm actually broadcasting from my place of work.
Right, did you get a copy on that, Steve?
Yeah, he's using a President Liberty mic, which is the wireless one. And I think he said he didn't work. His car must be parked outside. Is that right, Fred?
Yeah, Roger. Yeah, that's what he said. That's really interesting, actually, Andy. I was looking at those. There's a few of those that come up on eBay. How do you find it, Andy? Do you find that microphone works well for you? Back to Andy.
It's okay. I think it's a bit quiet. I don't know what you're receiving, but people say it's a bit quiet. It's a bit awkward in the car, though. I've tried it in the car. It's a bit awkward. Well, I find it a bit awkward. But yeah, I'm doing it from inside at my work location. It's not very.
Right, I think you dropped. I don't know if you dropped out on me, Andy, there, or you DK. Well, it's working, Andy. It's coming across really well. I wouldn't have been able to have, said or tell that you was on a sort of a remote radio mic there. Yeah, it seemed to be working absolutely fine, Andy. Back to you.
Am I okay? Okay, I just can't perceive a lot of you lads. I can't perceive you from this location. And it's a really strong signal, I think, like you, Fred. And maybe, is it Dave? Dave 61? Dave 61? You have the strongest signals I can perceive in my work location. All the other people, even Steve, his mobile.
Yeah, Roger, Andy. I got most of that. It's dropping out a little bit. I wonder if that might be the radio signal back to the rig, but yeah, got most of that. Okay, well look, I'm gonna have to make like an egg and beat it now. So I'll just say goodbye to Kevin there. Thanks, Kevin. Thanks for coming on. I got some video, Kevin, which. Right, so that was Andy there, Charlie Tango. I think that was 2527, and he was in Welwyn Garden City, parked in an industrial estate. What was quite interesting there with Andy was that he was actually in his place of work, and his radio is out in his car or rig, and he's using a President Liberty, which is a radio-controlled hand mic. It's a wireless mic. That the idea being you can use that just around your house. You can just leave your radio plugged in, and it's got a speaker on it, obviously, and a microphone, so you can just walk about, and it's a completely sort of wireless mic. And he was coming across quite well. He seemed to be slightly cutting in and out on his modulation, and this is just one of these people that tends to sort of dekey quite suddenly. But it certainly worked well. I couldn't really tell there that he was on that. Steve, by the way, is using a temporary mic at the moment. His 9900 microphone has gone wrong, and he's using a power mic, and it's not working particularly well with the 9900, so he was a little bit crackly. But I just thought I'd include that. Say Andy there, Welwyn Garden City, on a Lincoln mic, sitting in his place of work, all nice and comfortable, drinking coffee, and the rig out in his car, probably out in a car park or parked out in the road or whatever, and working there really well for him. Okay, I thought I'd just share that bit with you. Cheers, thanks a lot, thanks for watching, catch you on the next one.